Is that what you're saying?
Mr. Chair, can you please
Will you
repeat the
please
question?
answer me directly?
Ito, last warning ko sa iyo, ha? Na nangyari, you're lying. Oh, gusto mo i-cite ko na? Ano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee. And I warn you, this will be the last.
Tinanong si Judge Pilapil kung kasama ako doon na nagtatanong. Hindi siya sigurado, Mr. Chair, pero she presume na naandun ako dahil nasa opisina ako. While in fact, wala naman siyang knowledge na naandun ako actual doon sa nag-i-investigate si Monte de Ramos, Mr. Chair.
Tama ba yun, Mr.
Your Honor, kasi ganito, di ba tinanong niyo po ako kung si Wilkins Villanueva po ba yung nagtanong sa akin. Sabi ko po sa inyo, hindi po siya, si Monte de Ramos, yung tao niya, ang nagtanong sa akin. So, tinanong mo ako ulit na ano yung...
Kasama niya.
Anong kasama ba niya?
Oo.
Sabi ko, probably kasi tao niya. Pero wala siya nung time na nag-investigate si Monte de Ramos.
Wala siya.
Wala siya.
Paano mo siya nakilala?
Kasi actually, isa siya sa mga nag-ano sa akin po, nag-interrogate.
Now, ito si Jed. Did you really interrogate personally, Jed Pilapil?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na kinausap ko siya. Basta ang alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And
yung
I don't
problema.
lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie! Just a few minutes ago. Harap ko. Sinabi mo that authority was delegated to your personnel.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong ka ni Chairman Akop, inamin mo. Question of command responsibility. Are you not lying?
No, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt General Wilkins. Pasensyaan po tayo dito. In violation of Section C, Section 11, letter C, of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman. Pinagbigyan na kita. Yun pa ang sagot mo?
There's a motion to cite in contempt.
Jet, kilala mo ang director ng PIDEA, si Wilkins Villanueva?
Opo, nagharap po kami, Your Honor.
Nandito siya ngayon. Pakitingnan mo nga at ituro mo sa amin kung kilala mo. Pakitayo, tumayo ka lang mo. Kapag nandito siya tingnan natin kung kilala mo siya. Tumayo ka lang, umikot ka, tumayo ka. Tingnan mo may kung kilala mo, ang siyang nag-interrogate sa'yo, nakipag-usap sa'yo. Ang director po ng PIDEA at that time ay si Wilkins Villanueva. Pakituro nyo nga kung sino siya. Kilala niyo na po siya?
Opo, Your Honor.
Sino po siya?
Medyo tumanda na po siya kasi parang ano ko muna.
Pakituro nyo nga po kung sino kung nakita nyo. Medyo tumanda na nga siguro dahil
Kasi
20 years na yun eh.
Opo, kasi parang medyo naalangan niya po siya nga ba talaga.
Director Wilkins, pwede po bang tumayo kayo sandali? Pakitayo nga, Miss Jed, ayan. Yan si Wilkins Villanueva. Siya ba ang nag-interrogate sa'yo? Siya ba, hindi pa kita pinapaupo, siya ba ang nag-fabricate ng mga salita mo?
Hindi po, si
Sino?
Monte de Ramos po.
Monte de Ramos.
Opo.
Pero yung Monte de Ramos, kasama ni Wilkins at that time.
Sa palagay ko po, kasi nasa office po kami ng PIDEA, tao niya po kasi siya po yung
So sila ang nagsabi na ikaw ay nagdala ng mga karton-karton na mga chemical sa Dumoy?
Opo, Your Honor.
Mr. Wilkins, are you agreeing to what Miss Jed said?
No, Your Honor.
No, you're not. Alam mo, nung inausap ka rin namin nun panay ang mo Mahilig ka sa no? Dapat, ang pangalan mo, yung pangalan nung kalaban ni James Bond, si Dr. No. Mahilig ka sa no eh. So nagsasabi ka ng totoo at nagsisinungaling si Miss Jed. Is that what you're saying?
Mr. Chair, ang investigador ko noon...
Is that what you're saying?
Mr. Chair, can you please
Will you
repeat
please
the question?
answer me directly? Answer me directly.
Mr. Chair, can you please repeat the question, Mr. Chair?
Ano ba yung question ko?
1 minute suspension.
Okay.
Hearing is resumed.
Naalala ko na. Talagang tumatanda na tayo, no? Ang tanong ko, is that what you're saying? So, please explain.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, si Monte de Ramos was my investigator. So, ang sabi ni Jed Pilapil, dinala siya sa PIDEA. Tinanong si Jed Pilapil kung kasama ako doon na nagtatanong. Hindi siya sigurado, Mr. Chair, pero she presume na naandun ako dahil nasa opisina ako. While in fact, wala naman siyang knowledge na naandun ako actual doon sa nag-i-investigate si Monte de Ramos, Mr. Chair.
Tama ba yun, Miss Jed?
Your Honor, pwede po i-correct ko lang po yung statement. Kasi ganito, di ba tinanong niyo po ako kung si Wilkins Villanueva po ba yung nagtanong sa akin. Sabi ko po sa inyo, hindi po siya, si Monte de Ramos, yung tao niya, ang nagtanong sa akin. Pero never ko na nagsabi na yung, ano ba yung sinabi niya kanina? Parang mali eh. Kasi ang sinabi ko po, si Monte de Ramos. Tinanong mo ako ulit na, yung...
Kasama niya.
Kasama ba niya?
Oo.
Sabi ko, probably, kasi tao niya. Pero, wala siya nung time na nag-investigate si Monte de Ramos.
Wala siya.
Wala siya.
Paano mo siya nakilala?
Kasi, actually, isa siya sa mga sa akin po, nag-interrogate.
Aha. Sino po ang nagkaso sa inyo? Ang PIDEA?
Hindi ko po alam, pero sila po ngayon nag-file ng case sa amin.
Sila ang nag-file ng case sa inyo.
Opo, kasi
Ano po ang ebidensyang ipinakita sa inyo?
actually, Your Honor,
Korte.
hindi ko po alam kung ano po. Kasi nga,
Sapagkat na-convict ka, di ba? Convicted
yun ang
ka.
actually, ayoko na nga sana itong balikan, Your Honor, 20 years ago. Medyo masakit na I was able to forgive sa PIDEA. Kasi parang, kung ano man yung ginawa ng asawa ko, kasi nasira yung buhay ko at yung anak ko, I've learned to forgive kahit si Sir Wilkins. Ayoko na sanang balikan to. Sa totoo lang kasi masakit yung ginawa nila. Ang worst doon kasi nung time na basta yung hindi ko maintindihan kasi yung inquest ba yan na before yun nag-waiver pala ako, pina-waive ako ng hindi ko alam kung lawyer ko, hindi ko rin naintindihan kung bakit. Basta ang sabi, mag-waive ako dahil makasuhan daw sila ng illegal detention dahil wala nga kaming kaso, sa totoo lang po, Your Honor. Dahil sa takot ko po, dahil sabi ng lawyer ko, hindi ko daw alam po kung ano yung katotohanan dito. Baka daw madamay ako dito. Sabi niya, magpirma ka na lang ng waiver for safekeeping. Yun ang naintindihan ko. Pero
Sabi
hindi.
ng lawyer mo.
Opo.
Sino po ang lawyer niyo nagsabi niyan?
At the time po, si Atty. Zulueta po.
Ano po siya? Saan siya nag-lawyer?
Parang dito.
Private lawyer po siya?
Opo, Your Honor. Tapos
So
nung...
bakit niya nasabi na pumirma na lang kayo ng waiver?
Siguro, Your Honor, dahil din wala talaga akong alam sa mga ganito. Dahil first time, sa life ko, sa family ko, wala akong mga kaalam-alam ng mga ganyan. Siguro lang, takot din ako at the time kasi nga, sabi niya, wala daw akong alam sa mga katotohanan for safety. Actually, napilitan ako, pumirma ako ng waiver para hindi sila makasuhan ng PIDEA ng illegal detention.
So, Mr. Director Wilkin, can you please explain that to us? Inyong kinasuhan si Miss Jed, na-convict po siya at nakakulong ng 20 years. Narinig po ninyo, ang buhay niya ay nasira at wala siyang involvement sa operasyon ng kanyang asawa at pinabricate ng PIDEA ang kanyang mga sinasabi. Ano po masasabi niyo doon?
Mr. Chair, 3 months yung surveillance and casing operations ng PDEA. Si Jed Pilapilsi, siya yung namimili ng mga equipment, freezer, water circulating vacuum pump. Siya yung nagdadala dun sa Dumoy Clandestine Laboratory, Mr. Chair. And then, during the time na doon sa korte, dininay ni Jed Pilapil, nakilala niya si Alex Kim. Mantalang merong mga footages kami na nag-uusap sila ni Alex Kim on a dinner. Mr. Chair, the case has already, she was convicted in court and she was upheld by the Supreme Court. Itong kaso niya, Mr. Chair. So, for 3 months, imposible hindi alam ni Jed at ni Jong Pilapil na involved siya dun sa pag-set up ng laboratory sa Dumoy. That's impossible, Mr. Chair.
Ano po masasabi niyo ron, Miss Jed?
Sabi ko nga po, Your Honor, napatawad ko na po sila. Mahirap na po makipagtalo kay, sorry po, Mr. Villanueva, pero pinaglaban nga namin, kung pwede nga lang siguro, sa Honorable Court na to, ito sa Quadcom, pwede nyo naman po mabasa yung lahat ng ano, kasi yung sinasabi ni Sir Villanueva, na dininay ko si Alex Kim, never po na nag-deny ako sa kanya dahil nga siya yung lessee ng property ko. At nakarecord yan sa court na kami ay may contract of lease. Paano ko sabihin na hindi ko siya kilala? Nagpirmahan kami.
Matagal na kasi yung kaya palagay ko, wala na yung mga records. Ano po?
Palagay ko po, Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam.
Hindi na kayo makakuha ng record para malaman po natin kung talagang sinabi niyong hindi niyo kilala si Alex Kim.
Pwede po, Your Honor. Di ba archive siguro yan? Pero ewan ko lang kasi 20 years ago, parang kahit nga ako yung ibang events, hindi ko na alam po.
Mr. Chair, ano bang magagawa natin dito? Yes. Kung halimbawa, kung makita natin na talagang totoo ang sinasabi ni Mr. Wilkins o totoo yung sinasabi ni Ms. Jed.
Chairman Caraps,
Chairman, before the indulgence of Congressman Jenny. Anyway, Sir Wilkins, doon sa narration ni Jed, tama po ba na nung, of course, again, you will not remember the exact date, but ito, tandaan ni Jane, nung January 4, 2005, inimbitahan niyo daw si Jane, si Jed, at saka opisina niyo.
Hindi ko ma-remember yung date.
Yung date. Pero,
basta,
but you confirm. But you confirm.
Na ininbitahan siya sa office.
Yeah.
I don't know the date, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, second, is it correct na nag-sign siya ng waiver?
I don't know, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Hindi para sa akin yung Mr. Chair. I have my investigator.
No, but you're the head.
Hindi na usually...
Sir Wilkins. Maglulukuhan ba tayo dito?
No, Mr. Chair. Kasi sa akin, Mr. Chair.
Project mo yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ngayon, kinuha niyo yung subject, yung supposedly suspect, without a warrant. Di ba? Tama? Without a warrant? Their invitation?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O now, para hindi kayo makasuhan, nag-waive siya. Pumirma ng waiver, tama?
Hindi ko alam, Mr. Chair, kung nag-waiver siya because my investigator, sila yun, Mr. Chair eh. Usually, Mr. Chair, pag head ka ng office...
Mr. Wilkins, ikaw yung head of office, napakalaking project, tapos hindi mo alam, tapos hinayaan mo yung mga tao mo na papirmahin yung subject or yung suspect for a waiver?
Mr. Chair, as head of office, ang in-charge dyan is investigator. I delegate the job sa investigator. Anyway, Mr. Chair, may lawyer sila, Mr. Chair eh.
But in that case, Mr. Wilkins, are you not liable if ever there will be a violation of the rights of because you're just at the head and there is an investigator? Ito, theoretical lang.
Mr. Chair.
Are you not liable? Theoretical lang. Hindi ko sinasabi na he has all the basis of his overclaim.
Usually, Mr. Chair, sa...
Hindi nga. At tinatanong ko, theoretical. Hypothetical. Theoretical. Are you liable or not?
No, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Dahil hindi naman,
But you are the head of the office.
yes,
If-
Mr. Chair.
If illegal activity or whatever violation of law under your office, as the head of office, you are liable, especially in this case. Especially in this case, this is a very big project of your office. Oh, CSC,
Mr.
nandito. Ito, CSC, this is not, CSC, this is not the subject. Are you a lawyer, sir?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, and to all the other members of the
This is the subject for in your invitation, no? But tanongin na kita. In this case, eto, hypothetical lang. If the investigator of Wilkins violates the right of the suspect, is he not liable of any case?
Mr. Chair, there are circumstances that has to be met for the principle of command responsibility to apply to the extent that the principal may be liable. Because, Mr. Chair, as explained by former Executive Director General Villanueva, he mentioned that he delegated the conduct of, if I heard him correctly, the conduct of that operation to his
No,
investigation.
that is not the conduct of
So-
the operation, the conduct of the investigation,
Conduct
of the interrogation,
Mr. Chair.
of the interrogation.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa project, nandun siya. Directly being supervised by Mr. Wilkins.
Like,
At inamin niya yan. Well, in fact, nagyabang pa siya dito. That is not a project of a Asierto, that is my project. And that's in record. Now, in that case, attorney,
yes, Mr. Chair.
is he liable?
Again, Mr. Chair, as I mentioned nga po, there are circumstances that would qualify
Corrupt
for it.
Paduano,
Ah.
with indulgence na lang, attorney. Ang tanong natin is he liable on the basis of command responsibility?
Mr. Chair, as I am explaining, there should be qualifying circumstances present in a case for a principal to be liable under command responsibility.
There is, just like what you've said, that he delegated the authority to investigate, Tumonte de Ramos. Hindi na makapagsasabi ngayon, patay na Palagay ko, namatay siya dahil dyan
Mr. Chair,
Pangalawa, walang arrest warrant. Is that a violation too?
Mr. Chair, if I heard the representation of Mr. Villanueva correctly a while ago, the matter is already decided with finality in the Supreme Court. I would not like to comment on the merits thereof as it may violate our duty as lawyer as far as there is already a decision made by the Supreme Court. But again, with regard po doon sa possible accountability, administrative accountability or liability of Mr. Villanueva as the principal or head of the office during the time of that conduct of investigation, it will all depend po dun sa mga attending circumstances. Because as I mentioned, Mr. Chair, one of the requirements is that the principal should know that there is an irregularity or an omission that was committed, and despite knowing of such irregularity or wrong committed by his subordinates, he failed to take corrective actions on the matter. So
The irregularity caused the brokenness of the family actually. Anyway, Miss Jed, nabanggit mo na hanggang ngayon, hindi mo alam kung buhay pa o patay na ang iyong asawa? Hanggang ngayon, hindi mo alam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Wilkins, alam mo ba napatay na si Alan C?
Mr. Chair, wala siya doon sa laboratory when the time was when we raided the laboratory, Mr. Chair.
So hindi mo rin alam kung buhay
Hindi
siya.
ko alam, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, ayan.
Sure lang akong kay General Wilkins, ano? General Wilkins, nung dinitain niyo po si Jed, meron po kayong warrant of arrest?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ano po ang basihan niyo? Bakit niyo ikinulong?
Hindi naman kinulong, Mr. Chair. She was invited for interview.
She was invited, but after the interview, ba't di niyo po pinalabas? Ano po ang basihan niyo? Bakit hindi niyo binalik?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, I cannot, since it's already delegated to my investigator, hindi ko alam na kung ilang araw ba siya doon. Basta ang instruction ko is to conduct interview on Jed Pilapil because talagang person of interest siya, Mr. Chair. As to detaining her, no personal knowledge ako, Mr. Chair. Kasi magpa-follow up operation kami doon, Mr. Chair. During that time, we are busy conducting follow-up investigation and operation on other sites. Kung nasaan na ando ng mga warehouses, Mr. Chair.
DG, ikaw ang head of the agency. Kailangan po alam nyo yun. Diba? So, kung yung mga subordinate nyo, in-interrogate siya, you will approve it. Kasi, hindi ho pa biro-biro to kasi kanina pa ako nakikinig. Kasi si Jed, si Ma'am Jed, nakulong siya na walang warrant of arrest. Parang kidnapping po ang ginawa nyo Parang ganyan nakikita ko kung walang warrant of arrest kung hindi nyo binalik si Ma'am Jed.
I believe, Mr. Chair, hindi naman siya nakulong for... Hindi ko alam, Mr. Chair. I don't have the knowledge Kaya hindi kita masagot, Mr. Chair Hindi ko alam kung ilang araw ba siyang nakulong doon, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can I
Yes, Congressman Acop,
Congressman
with the
Acop.
indulgence of SDS Gonzales.
General Wilkins, si Madam Jed Pilapil ay 2 beses na kinuha ng PDEA. If I remember it right. One, when you went to the apartment, kinuha siya. And in January 4, 2005, pinuntahan ulit siya, kinuha ninyo siya. And after that, hindi na siya nakalabas. Yun ang katotohanan. And it is on record ng PDEA blatter na binabasa ko. And I do not know the reason why. You do not know. Parehas tayo nang galing sa police, di ba? You are more ranking than Colonel Acerto. Tama?
Pareho lang kami nun, Mr. Chair.
Pero yung issue ay drugs. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And pursuant to the law, lahat ng operation ng police tungkol sa illegal drugs, it should be coordinated with PDEA. Pursuant to the law. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So in other words, sa joint operation na binabanggit mo, ikaw ang overall ground commander.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And you are the one responsible for what your men will do and will not do. Tama?
Yes, Mr.
Under
Chair.
the principle of command responsibility. O bakit
Yes.
dinideny mo ngayon na hindi mo alam? You should accept responsibility for all the things that your people did outside the bounds of law. Di ba? Turo sa atin yan And now, here, naririnig ko yung sagot mo kay SDS. You do not know anything about it. Inihuhulog mo na yung mga tao mo. And that is not supposed to be the case for a commander. Di ba? Kaya sagutin mo si Juan, si SDS ng tama. You are the overall commander of the joint operation. Kung ano man ang mali doon, sagot mo dapat. Kasi ikaw ang commander
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, answer the questions of the SDS properly. Kasi, nagtataka ako. Parehas tayo ng pinanggalingan. Pero hindi ganyan yung pagkaturo sa akin. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Man.
Thank you, Congressman Acop. With the indulgence again of Congressman
Okay, I will give the floor to Chairman
Okay,
Caraps.
Congressman Paduano, you are recognized.
Chairman, anyway, naunahan lang ako ni Chairman Acop. Kasi, General Wilkins, eto, last warning ko sa iyo sa nangyari, you're lying. Gusto mo i-cite ko na? Paano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee. And I warn you, this will be the last. Kanina nang tinatanong kita, akala mo hindi kita babalikan? Now you admit that is all about your command responsibility. Well, in fact, magtuturuan na, Asierto, dinideny mo. Of course, your words against the words of Asierto. Now, eto si Jed. Did you really interrogate personally, Jed Pilapil?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na nakinausap ko siya. Bastang alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And
yung
I
problema.
don't lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie! Just a few minutes ago. Sa harap ko, sinabi mo na that authority was delegated to your personnel.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong ka ni Chairman Akop, inamin mo. Question of command responsibility. Are you not lying?
No, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt General Wilkins. Pasensyahan po tayo dito. In violation of Section C, Section 11, letter C, of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman. Pinagbigyan na kita. Yun pa sagot mo.
There is a motion to cite in contempt General Wilkins Villanueva for violating Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer relevant questions from the committee. This was duly seconded. And do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman, ngayon mo for 1 minute. Suspension.
1 minute suspension.